So welcome back everybody to a new episode, and this time it's my first time joining a group photo walk. So a few nights ago while scrolling on Instagram, I stumbled upon this post by PPP Club. So here I am getting ready to join a photo walk for the first time. Let's see how it goes. As I arrived, I was pleased to see so many of them turn out for the photo walk. Hello, hi, everyone. There were some familiar faces, and there were a lot of new faces to me.
Okay, ready, action.
Okay, buy film from Zone 3, okay? Film Zone 3 now very hard to sustain. See?
It was quite interesting finally to be able to meet some of them face to face, as all this while I've only known them through their Instagram accounts. So we started out the photo walk that morning in Jalan Panggung, heading out to Petaling Street, Pasar Karat, and eventually headed towards Dataran Merdeka and back. The gear that I used this morning for the photo walk was the Fujifilm X100F. I've recently got this camera after I traded in my GR3. Well, on why I swapped the GR3 for the Fuji would probably be just two things. One, I'd really miss using the viewfinder. Two, it's the build quality. The GR3 just seems a little too flimsy in my hands. And I'm the type of person that is a bit rough with my cameras. So I fear that in due time, with the way that I'm using it, I might just break it. However, that is just my opinion. At the end of the photo walk, we went back to the place where we started, and there was a lucky draw, and one of my new friends actually won some film, and I think a film case as well. So I just want to do a bit of recap at the end of this video on my thoughts on having joined this photo walk. I think it's a very wonderful experience for me. I really like that I get to meet a lot of other people who are, like-minded. And of course get to meet some of my friends who I've known them on Instagram only. And now I get to see face to face. I think going out in a group of people, you get to see how other people take their photos. What do they look for? How do they approach strangers? What do they avoid? It's pretty interesting stuff. So yeah, that's just it. So until the next video, to see you around.